Today I'm gonna explain few Excel functions. So I'm gonna go with sum, and then maximum, and then minimum. So these are the results, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. So now let's start with sum. So sum basically adds up all the values in a particular cell range that is selected. So here I've created a spreadsheet, and then it has many games, and these are the cost of the games. So I can use sum to calculate the total cost of all these games. I don't have to always search. I don't have to always type B2 equals B2 plus B3 plus B4 plus B5. That would be a total waste of time. So a more easier way is to type in the function sum. So to do this, equals sum. You have to write sum, and then you have to type in the cell range between all the all the cells you want to add to. So in this case, the cost is from here. The cost starts from B2 to B24. Those are all the costs of the game. So what I'm gonna do is sum brackets, and now I have to type the cell range. So B2 and colon B24. So that's the thing. Now if I press enter, that's it. There's it. That's the total cost of all this. Now next is maximum. So maximum tells the largest value among a particular cell range that you have selected. So what are you gonna? It's the same thing, but except you have to type max and the same cell range that I have typed before. So it's gonna be brackets B2 and colon B24. So that's it. And if I press enter, there you go, 59. And if you see here, 59 is the largest over here. There are two 59s, but that's the largest value among the selected cell range. Next is minimum. So minimum it calculates the smallest value among a particular cell that you have chosen. So it's basically the opposite of max. So if I go here, equals to, and then min, the short form again, and next I have to the same thing. I have to type the cell range. So B2 and colon B24. That's it. Now if I press enter, there you go. It's free. It's none because these two games over here are free, and they lie in the cell range that I have picked. So that is the least expensive thing. The smallest value among this cell range. So those are a few Excel functions.